Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's Clean With Me video, I'm going to start some of my spring cleaning tasks. So there are a few things that I needed to get done that are on my spring cleaning list. And also I'm going to be sharing a fun spring decor DIY with you guys. And on top of that, I'm going to be decorating for spring and Easter throughout my downstairs area. So if you guys are ready for today's video, let's go ahead and just jump right in.
By looking in your eyes, there is nothing that I wouldn't do. I keep trying to break through, 'cause he got me
So the first task on my spring cleaning list is to shampoo this rug. But all I'm doing here is just moving my couches out of the way. I'm going to do a quick vacuum over this rug to get any dirt or debris up before we go in with the carpet shampoo. Another thing that I am doing is I am going to be throwing down a blue tarp underneath it that I picked up from Home Depot, and that tarp is just going to protect my laminate floor. I just wanted to make sure that the rug would not soil through onto the floor because that could be damaging.
You say I'm shady, what do you mean, boy? I try to figure out what's on your mind. If I could, I would give you the whole world. Just let me get close to you tonight, 'cause he got me so high. Just watching him, time flies. Make love to him, they die. I can't get enough. Yeah, he got me.
So just because I'm adding a blue tarp underneath my rug doesn't mean that you need to. It really just depends on the type of flooring that's in your home. Also, I am using a 8x10 tarp. I wanted to make sure that the rug completely covered over the tarp.
It won't go away. I've got that feeling rushing through my body. I know that it is here to stay. It's like you're my personal Illuminati. I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right.
So I am using my Bissell Pet Pro carpet cleaner, and I am using the option on there for deep clean. So this option does deep clean your carpets, but it also dries super fast. It only stays wet for about an hour and then it's already dry. It's really quick. It puts the right amount of water down to make sure that your carpets are getting cleaned. And I will show you at the end everything that we picked up from the rug. So what I wanted to show you here is the water actually did not seep through the rug. So that is a really great quality rug. I was able to shampoo the top of the rug without it getting wet underneath. So really I did not need the tarp, but it's better to be safe than sorry.
You don't have to say a word, so just let go.
So the next task on my spring cleaning to-do list was to remove these fuzzies and this lint from my couches. It has been bothering me for months. So this is a little cleaning hack, but pick yourself up a fabric shaver from Target. It is by Conair and it does the job. I did research on this little device and decided to give it a try, and I'm going to be showing you everything that I was able to pick up off my couches.
Tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or be naughty, because there ain't nobody love you like I do, like I do, like
So it definitely gets a lot of the lint up. I'm really happy with this purchase. If you also struggle with lint on your couches like these, I will have the link in my description box if you want to check it out.
Shooting me with words, but I won't let them bruise. Even though it hurts, I won't show it to you. 'Cause it will ricochet, I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you. Let me tell you, not because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you're trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. I don't know how you fall asleep at night.
Let me know in the comments if you've started your spring cleaning and if you have done any spring or Easter decorating, if that's something that you do.
Like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet.
So one of the things I wanted to do today that I did not get a chance to do is shampoo my couches. I am actually looking for the little device that goes with my Bissell to do that. So as soon as I find that somewhere in a closet here, I'm sure, I am going to be shampooing my couches and another deep cleaning or spring cleaning video.
You try to turn me into somebody else, but it will ricochet. I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you.
Okay, so I'm so excited to share this spring decor idea with you guys today. This was so fun to make and I enjoyed adding something more to today's cleaning video. All you need is 3 4-inch tall flower pots, white chalk spray paint or paint, and floral arrangements. I'm also going to be using my Cricut Maker to create the words I'll be adding onto the pots. People always wonder what you can make with a Cricut Maker and how easy it is to use, so I wanted to show you guys that today. So all I'm doing here is going ahead and spray painting the first coat onto my flower pots. So besides making fun decor with your Cricut, you can also make personalized items such as face masks like I did for my son's 18th birthday, or car decals like my husband enjoys making. You can also make your own graphic tees and so much more. Okay, so right now I'm on Cricut Space. That's where you create your designs. You'll hit text, you'll choose your font, then you'll type your word, and then you'll choose the size. So you'll want to go ahead and take measurements on whatever you're putting your words on. I'm making duplicates also to make it easier, so you're just changing the word without having to adjust the measurements. So then you'll go ahead and sort your project onto the digital mat, select the machine and the material you're using. You'll then measure out how much material you'll need and place it on the sticky mat. The mats keep the material from moving. Also, to get more bang for your buck, try and save any extra pieces that you have for future projects. And what I'm doing here is using a tool to smooth out any air bubbles before I put it into the Cricut machine. And then once you place it in the Cricut machine, go back to your computer and hit fast mode. Then you hit the cut button and let the Cricut do its magic. The most satisfying part is picking the letters, you'll end up going ahead and using the transfer paper to apply the words onto your project. So it's not hard at all. It's actually quite fun once you learn and get the groove of things. But the most amazing part is to be able to create things that you never realized you could create right from your home. So not only can you use the Cricut machine for personal use, but you can also start a home business. I'm so grateful that I got to work with Cricut again today and just share with you guys how easy it is to use their machine once you learn how to use it and get the hang of things. So if you're interested in the Cricut, I will have their link down below in the description box. Also, if you have any questions, go ahead and ask me those down in the comments, and we're gonna go ahead and finish this project.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky, when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder.
So I went ahead and put down this green table runner. I got it from Hobby Lobby. It is such a pretty color. So I want to do a disclaimer. It is getting dark right now as I decorate. So what I did is for my final shots on how everything looked, I took those the next day when it was daylight. So you can see it a little bit better. It's a little bit prettier. So those clips will be towards the end of the video after we're done decorating.
Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy,
so I just put down some green moss and kind of spreaded it out a little bit all in my bread bowl there. I did get this bread bowl from Hobby Lobby a lot. I get asked that a lot. So I got it from there a few years back. And then I went ahead and put the assorted colorful eggs in there, which are so pretty. And then I also picked up these little bird nest. I thought that was the perfect touch. I feel like it's so cute and simple. It's not too busy, but it's just so cute to me. I don't know. Let me know your guys' thoughts. Okay, I'm really excited to share this with you guys because this is my first 2-tier decor project that I've done. And I was really excited to find the 2-tier stand at Hobby Lobby. It was actually on sale, you guys. I think it was originally like $30 and I got it for 50% off. So such a great deal. And I went ahead and picked up a variety of different pieces that I thought would work well with it. So what I do at Hobby Lobby is I'll just use the stand. I'll put the stand up in the basket and then I'll take whatever pieces of decor that I find there and I'll kind of just play around with it right when I'm in the store so I can have an idea of what I want when I come home and I don't end up having to take something back or something didn't fit right. So that's what I did, and then I'm just kind of playing around with it now and actually putting it together. And I thought adding these pretty florals would be a nice touch to fill in some of those open spaces.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart.
I love this sign so much. It's so pretty and it ties into all of the purple floral arrangements that I'm using. So I was unsure on which side of the kitchen or which wall I wanted to place this. Now that I'm looking back at the video, I kind of like it right here, but I end up going ahead and moving it to the other side of the wall. So let me know which side of the wall you guys think it works best on. Towards the end of the video, you'll see a better view of it when I show more of the kitchen.
I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors.
So here's one of my favorite pieces, you guys. I'm obsessed with this little piece of decor here. I think it is so cute, and I love the little bunny that hangs in there in the middle of the reef.
My world's on fire. You're my heart.
So here's one of the areas that I struggled with a little bit. For one, I'm not a huge fan of our little TV stand here. My husband picked it out, and I am almost ready to upgrade to something cute that's gonna really fit in our house, in our style. But for now, it will do. I just kind of struggled with figuring out what I wanted to do with this area, so it took a little bit longer, but I actually love how it turned out. So I'm excited for you guys to see.
Set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know.
I do want to say that I'm super proud of myself for this little DIY spring decor project I did. It came out exactly how I wanted it, and it was really easy to do. Again, using the Cricut is so easy, and you can make so much with it. You can also pick up a lot of your supplies for different DIYs like this from Dollar Tree, which also helps you save money too.
Driving down the road that I grew up on once again. It's when I pass your door, the memories come back again. Pictures of us flooding back just like a wave. Makes me wonder what happened, what you're up to today. Remember when we stole your mother's car, we drove for days. Teenagers with too many feelings and rage. We were higher than the ceiling, middle fingers to the sky. I remember thinking if I...
All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and got some spring decor inspiration and some cleaning motivation and all of that stuff. Comment down below and say hi so I know that you were here today. Also, if you could give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, subscribe if you're new, and I will see all of you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.
People could stare, I didn't give